everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to blur the background of your video using CapCut Mobile. There are actually two ways to do this. The first method uh, is for pro user, while the second method is a little trick that free user can use. So let's get started. First, just open the CapCut like this and then create new projects and import the video that you want to edit. And then if you are a CapCut Pro user, this method is super easy. First, just tap on the video, go to effects, video effects, and then just choose the blur effect. And then just use the galaxy blur, this one, and then after that you can adjust the settings to your liking. You can change the blur intensity on here. You can see it. Just adjust it until you get the looks the way that you want. And then after that, just tap on check mark, and that's it. This is definitely the quickest method if you have the CapCut Pro. You can see your backgrounds already blur like this. But if you are a free user, don't worry, because you can use the second method. For the free user, I have the trick. First just duplicate your video like this, and then after that, just select the video on the bottom layer and add a blur effect to it like this. Just add blur, adjust the settings to your liking like this, and then after that, for the duplicate video, just remove the background. In here, for the free user, you can use the custom removal, and then just use brush to select the main object that you want to keep like this, and then just brush the area like this, for example like this. And then after that, just make this duplicate video to overlay like this, and then just place the video above the blur video like this, and just like that, you can see the bottom layer stay blur and the main subject on top layer remains clear like this. You can see it. And okay, that's how you can blur your video background in CapCut Mobile using two different methods. If you are a pro user, the Galaxy Blur method is much faster, but if you are using the free versions, the duplicate and cutout trick is a great alternative. And okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.